If you're a designer like me or a developer looking for the fastest way to turn Figma designs into real code, this one is for you. I found a new tool called FigmaConnect by MagicPath. In just a few minutes, you will connect all your pages from Figma, build a full website, and export it straight to code you can run locally using Cursor or deploy it to your server. And in this video, I will show you how to set it up, turn your designs into pixel perfect code, no MCP, no complicated setup, and no endless prompts, just pure magic. Hi, my name is Sergey, I'm a creative director, and here I talk about UX UI design and how to build websites faster using no-code tools and AI. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in design and AI, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and like the video. And now let's dive into MagicPath and see how this integration works. As an example, we'll be using this project that I got from Figma community. You can check it out there as well. The designs are made by Maria from Lisbon. Designs are really nice. It's a clean design for a portfolio website. What's important is that designs are made of outer layouts and everything is set up correctly. So we have outer layouts everywhere. And this is super important, especially when you're planning to export your designs into code, to use outer layouts in your designs. Also, I recommend to use variables everywhere you can, like numbers, colors, spacing, coordinate radiuses, basically everywhere. This example uses variables as well, but only for colors. I didn't see any variables for numbers, but let's try to export them in this way. So what we need to do, we need to go to MagicPath right now. So I go to magicpath.ai and I need to sign in with my email or Google or GitHub. So after I sign in, I will see my dashboard. And here, if you sign in for the first time, of course, you will not have all of these projects, but you will be prompted to create a new project. Important thing is that I'm using a pro plan of MagicPath. Why do I need a pro plan? It's basically because I needed to be able to have the features like unlimited Figma imports and also be able to export my designs from MagicPath to Cursor, basically into code. So let's create a new project. So we need to click new file. And here we can see that we can start by developing something or by designing something with a prompt, or we can import our designs from Figma. So let's do that. On the right here, we can see a little button, import from Figma. When I click on it, I need to connect my Figma account to MagicPath. So I click connect Figma. And now I need to allow MagicPath to connect to my account. After you connect the Figma to your account, you will see a little green dot on top here on the logo. And if you click on the button, you can always unlink your account from MagicPath if you want to, for example, link it to another one. Now we go back to our Figma file. We select our first frame, our first page. It's going to be our home page. And what we need to do, we don't need to use any MCP, dev mode, whatever. Actually, you can use your free Figma account, but be sure to know that it can be limited to API requests per hour, I think. So I recommend to use a pro plan of Figma. Select your first frame, your first page. And what we need to do, we need to click Command L, that's for Mac, or Control L for Windows. Basically what it does is that you copy link to selection. Here it is. So let's copy link to selection. And now let's go back to our MagicPath. And here, what do you need to do? You just need to click Command V for Mac or Control V for Windows. So basically you just paste in your page. And now let's import the second page. So let's select projects and let's click Control L or Command L, go back to MagicPath. And what's magical and what I love about MagicPath is that you can import several pages at the same time because it has like infinite canvas, like just like in Figma. And this is super cool. Like I haven't seen anything like this in other apps. So let's copy the project now. Let's go back to MagicPath and here we paste it again, and I can actually like move it around, you see, like this. And let's go back to Figma, and this is the resume. Well, okay, let's also copy it, go back to MagicPath, and let's paste it here. And the last one is the about page, Command V, paste it here. I can see that something is ready. Let's check it out, and we can see the home page is ready. Let's compare it to our Figma file. So here's the example, and here's the MagicPath sample. And as you can see, it looks perfect. The only thing is that it didn't get this gray color, I believe. Yep. And the rest is fine. Yeah, it looks good. I think it's like 99% correct, or 98% correct. And this is super cool because I haven't gotten such perfect results even using MCP with like cursor. Let's check out the second page. This is the projects page. Also looks really nice. Look, it's perfect, right? The important thing is that you can also use some elements of it and create components, just like in Figma. You can do that in MagicPath. For example, you can create a component for header and for footer. And let's see the other ones. So this is the project page. Looks nice. And the rest is also fine. This is the resume. For some reason it didn't get this gray background, but it's okay. And the about looks perfect as well. The only thing is that I can see there should be round corners over here in Figma. Let's check it out. There's 60. We can change that in MagicPath. We can select this part over here, this div, and we can use edit mode, and we can select this div. And here, just like in Figma, we can find corner radiuses and change them to 60, like this, right? Looks the same now. And let's click save. Let's check out how it looks in web. So let's preview it. So I select this homepage and I click preview. Wow, looks perfect. You see, looks very nice. And this link doesn't. Oh, actually, wow, look. Oh no, it doesn't work. It's just, yeah, it is like an anchor link. We'll fix that. So design is nice. Let's check out the mobile version, how responsive this is. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Well, there is some issues on top, and this is super cool, guys. This is amazing. Like what we're getting here. This is amazing. This is just magic. Let's prompt and let's tell MagicPath to make it responsive. So I just select this page and make it responsive. Responsive. And let's wait. And let's go back to our about page, and it's ready. Let's check it out. Yeah, looks good. I think it's perfect. And now what we need to do, we need to connect all of them, and we need to create a new page. And we basically need to connect all of these pages, right, into one project. All right, but before we connect all the pages into one website, let's check out our home page where we updated it and we made it responsive. So let's check it out. And now when I go to kind of mobile version, yeah, I get this burger, and wow, I get the menu. This is super cool, right? So it works perfectly. So now let's connect it to other pages. And what I want to do, I just want to select this first page, and let's duplicate it just in case. Let's duplicate it. And here I want to, when I click on projects in the top navigation nav bar. I need to open, and now I need to use at and select projects. So when I click on projects in the top bar, I need to open projects page for about me. Open about page, and let's see how it's gonna work. All right, it's ready. Let's check it out. I hope it works. And let's go to preview mode. So we have our home page, right? Everything looks good. And now let's click projects. Yep, and we have our projects page here. And when we click about me, we have our about page. So everything works perfectly. So basically we already have our website with our 3 main pages. The next step is to connect our project page, but I don't want to waste your time on this. Let's do one more important thing, is to export these designs into code so we can deploy it in, for example, Vercel or our hosting, or we can work with them locally on our computer, right? So what I want to do now, I want to select our project here, and on the right I go to code, and here I can download the whole package, like download the code base. As we can see, we have different files here, or I can open it in Cursor, for example, or I can open it in anti-gravity. So open it in Cursor. I click here and I need to wait, and here's the link that I need to copy and paste to my cursor. Let's open Cursor now. I already have a folder open, folder MagicPath. Here I need to open terminal and paste the code that I just got from MagicPath. So I paste it here, and it asks me where do I want to deploy the project. So I click in this folder that I already have, and how do I want to call it? So I'll call it YouTube sample, and I click run. So here we can see that it deploys the project. So basically it downloads it and deploys it onto my computer, and we need to wait a little bit. I'm using the npm. There are like several versions. You can use yarn, bun, but npm is fine for me. If you're not a developer, it doesn't really make sense, all of these things. Just click copy and paste it into your terminal. All right, so it downloaded everything, and now I need to choose where I want to open it. So I'll open it in Cursor. Yep, and that's it. So it's done. Now what I want to do, I want to run the project, right? So if I select index.html, it's not going to be running, because basically this is a React.js project. It's a web app. So what I want to do, I want to open a new agent, and here I will just use agent mode, and I will ask it to run the project. If you're not a developer, it's the easiest thing to do right now, because of course you can use commands such as npm run dev and all that stuff, but let's use the AI to run our project. So let's wait, and it should open it right here in our middle section. Yeah, so here it is. This is what I said, npm run dev. Yeah, we need to run it, and here it is. Yep. We can open it in our browser. So let's copy it. Let's go back to our home, and I just paste it here, and that's it. So this is the project already on my local host. So it's on my computer. I can deploy it on my hosting, or on my, for example, or on Vercel. And the beauty of this is that all the code is on my computer, saved locally right now, and I can work with it and update it the way I want. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to learn more about vibe coding, designing with AI, Figma or Framer, be sure to check out the link to my courses and newsletter in the description below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please like the video if you like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.